said this my song. I'm glad as fuck, ain't nothing coming up. Shit. In that pickup truck, I'ma need another buck. But, where's not? I done seen Mike today, I fuck shit up. I'm on your block, I'm on your set car. Where they at? They don't know that nigga away. They say that boy on the corpse trying to hide me. With the Lord trying to see the eyes, man. Shit, he's a demon, he's a devil. I can't trust that. Send your ass back to the hell. Nigga, I'ma need that shell. They say, where your pitchfork? I ain't finna stab nobody. Shit, I'm doing yard work. I'm just cutting down a couple of limbs. Let a nigga know that I don't give a fuck about him and his film. Nigga, fuck your feet, I told you that. It's only 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm holding back. But shit, I really like this beat. Nigga, where is that? Where that gas black? She say, nigga, watch your hands, I'ma kick ass. Well, you got a red song, it's time to do my damn thing. What the stands dance? I said that shit long time ago. I'm still CEO. Bitch, they call me PLO. And where I'm from, for the double low. Whole team in this bitch, that's I know. I done told you I got to get it on the pronto. She like, boy, you better hold your breath, nigga, hold that track, man. Shit, I'ma need 2,000, fam. I need that double up, that double cup. She say, homie, I'm gonna got like 1 cup left. I say, you better go order some more, bitch. I ain't tryna hear that. He's a brat. She like, nigga, fuck you when you get the fat. I said, I'll fuck you when your asshole don't get mad. Because you let it happen. The long told him go. When I told her that I was trapping with them cold stones, barbarian savages. I'm a savage built for a baddie. She said she got that cabbage. I said that shit is crabby. I don't want no crabs. I ain't in a tub no more. They say that boy got in a tub again. That shit funny low. I heard that shit. And one more again, I'ma let foe blow for my foe. Told you I'ma blow for my bro. We gon' go. Hoes, we don't know none of them. We can't fuck no more. Cause them hoes is dirty bitches. All them hoes are set up, they a trap. I done told you that I gotta stay on the bud. It's a rap. But I'm from the line. And that order block. That's straight 5-0. Shit, I keep a 357 on my waist, so but do I need it there? No. Cause when I pull it out, I let that bitch bang. Nah, this ain't no bang out. Got my cock out, I rocked out. She like, damn, homie, you know the fucking cops out. Shit, I hope this beat don't go. I hope the song don't die. Shit, my phone on the low. I done told these hoes, I'm CEO, baby. I see the stars, I see the moon. But you can't see shit glistening, cause I'm that dude. I'ma glow forever. And I heard that song forever. Yeah, that's my favorite cut. Gotta turn that BPM up. Yeah, that's on DJ Studio 5. I told you what's up. You hear that beat, nigga? I ain't even put no snare drums in, bruh. But I'ma let Jesus kill it. Cause when I come back, it's unfinished. Nigga, I'ma have to drill it. She like, homie, watch it, watch it. I heard what you saying, nigga, you plotting. Yeah, yes I am. My feelings hurt, and I told you that I'm getting in. I need that blunt, so go and roll another blunt, so we can fuck. I told her, what the fuck is up? She said she ain't tryna duck. I said, you better goose it, cause I'm that nigga, man. PLO on dick, I don't need to see your fam. She like, hey bro, you need to calm that shit down. Ow, I'm tripping on a block on a motherfucking track, yes. This ain't Lil Weezy Wee, I'm PLO, bitch. I done told you hoes, I can't fucking go, oh. No, PLO gon' motherfucking blow for the folk.